This guy right here, do you see that white pickup truck there? He's not supposed to be making a left. He's going against the light. He just ran the arrow. Still green, can't see it. Green, 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 go! Damn tall ass trucks blocking the lights.
Painted sky, where the clouds are.
This red car is gonna let this truck over. Somebody's polite, red SUV. Come on, little car, let's go. Now you turn your blinker on. Try doing it before. I might have let you over. This is a dog light. This person, for some reason, is not pulling out into the intersection, even though she has a green light. It's not a green arrow. There she goes. Now she's starting to pull out there. He. Can't tell if it's he or she. I don't know why these people wait till the last minute. Pull out into the intersection. It's a he. Running through red light stop sign. Like there's any other color stop sign. Boom, stop. So you guys stop. Happy?
On the 91. It's a late crash. Busy in the carpool lane on the westbound 91 freeway, a little before Paramount Boulevard. Still busy away from Valley View on the westbound 91 freeway, all the way across toward Paramount. Even a little busy
right
beyond that at the
through.
710. Off and on, still some sluggish traffic northbound 405. The drive out of Orange County. The heavy ride will be from the 110 freeway, and that stays pretty busy off and on to the 10. We're still slow in Orange County on the southbound 5. That's been busy from the 91, continuing heavy almost all the way to the 55. And slow ride out of Anaheim Hills on the 55 southbound, leaving the 91.
Now I could squeeze up there and get in front of him, but I'm going to hang back because when he makes this turn, he's going to need to come over here. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give him time. This is called trailer tracking, in case anybody knows. See how far the tractor is? The tractor's on the outside. His trailer is going to cross this line. See? That's why you don't want to be next to a truck on a turn. accident's right here. Wait a minute. Well, if this accident's right here, why is everybody slowing down up there? Unless there's another one.
She don't need to run. I mean, it's unbelievable.
He's doing an airback, right?
Well, you hope. You hope. But that's not even the bad part.
He don't need to try to run from here, New York. In my opinion, he don't need to run from here.
Chasing his feedback actually for the second time.
He don't need to try to run.
Ooh, that's a smash in the front end. Because they and add, give more time also. You have a red light, stupid. Yeah, just give more time for people trying to get to Old Camarillo because traffic's also packed. This guy's gonna go straight to a right turn only. This tractor's looking, see? Guy's in a big hurry and this tractor is gonna let over and what an idiot. Thank you. I'm gonna have to yell, hang on. Hey! You don't have any brake lights! There, I did my good deed for the day. AT&T told me I didn't have any brake lights.
You've been doing it right. Yeah, once you got it, you better hold on tight.
Straight from the right turn only lane. So here I am in my lane. There's a double left here. And it goes as wide as I can, and I'm still crossing over into the other lane. Trailer tracking.
Store. Must have been fabulous when you went in there. Well, Hitler was how he was his inspiration. In that same interview with Salon.com, he said, I asked...
Oh, that's good. Cut in front of a gas truck. How dumb can you...